Number 25 starts with another log equation. This time you can see you don't have just one log on one side and one on the other. You have a log 5 and a log 5. On the left, 2 log 5s, and then on the right, just 1. So this has to be condensed before you can solve this. So this would be log 5, and then you have 4x and a 2, so and it's subtraction, so it would be division. So you would have base 5, 4x over 2 equals log 550. Or you can say that you have log 5 2x equals log 550. All of a sudden we have the same log 5s on each side, so I can drop those. I have 2x equals 50, so x equals 25. Number 26, I would combine these. Now it's adding, so it would be a product. Log 7 of negative 4x equals 1. All right, so now I can either say, if I want, I can do it 2 ways. If I want to turn 1 into log 7, I can. Because isn't log 7 equal to 1? 7 to the what equals 7? 1. So I can change it to log 7, or I can just turn it into an exponent. 7 to the 1 equals negative 4x. So that would be x equals negative 7/4. And if I do it this way, I would say log 7 of negative 4x equals log 7. So I still get negative 4x equals 7. So I still get x equals negative 7/4. All right, so you can do it either way. You can turn it in to have a log of what you want. That's always what you can do if you have a 1. All right. 27 just uses ln's. It's the same thing as log. So we can combine this to ln of x plus 5 over x equals 2. And now I'm going to have to turn this into an exponent. E, right, that's the base of ln, to the 2 equals what's in the ln, x plus 5 over x. So this would be e to the 2 equals that. So, okay, I've got a little mess here, not too bad, but let me rewrite it. E to the x to the squared times x plus 5 over x. You've got 2 x's here, and you've just got to get them combined. And so multiply both sides by x, and you get x e squared equals x plus 5. And now you're going to subtract that so that you have it all. You can factor out an x, in other words. So you can have x e squared minus x equals 5. Okay, and then factor out an x, and you get e squared minus 1 equals 5. So x equals 5 over e squared minus, oops, I wrote 2. That's a e squared minus 1. All right, so that's the right answer for number 27. Let's do number 28. This would be, combine it, log 6 of x plus 5 over x again equals 3. And we might see it a little clearer. This is just like 27, only doesn't have an e. This would say 6 cubed is equal to x plus 5 over x. You have to do the same thing. X times 6 cubed, and I'm just not writing that out, equals x plus 5. So x times 6 cubed minus x equals 5. So factor out an x, and you get 6 cubed minus 1 equals 5. So x equals 6 cubed minus 1 over 5. Now we can't leave it like that. 36 times 6 would be 36, 18, 19, 216. So this would be 215 over 5, and that's going to simplify, right? So 5 goes in that 43 times. So x is 43, but it was 1 over 43. Did I do something wrong? Let's see. Yeah, back right here. Look, this is wrong. It should be switched around, right? Because if I solve for x, it's 5 over. So this is 5 over 6 to the cubed minus 1, which is 5 over 215, which is 1 over 43. So this is the right answer. X equals 1 over 43.